How's it going, everybody? Hanging out here with my chickens, and it's a nice warm January 27th. I wanted to talk about some great, wonderful reflective ribbon we have been using to keep sparrows out of our chicken coop. You can get this ribbon off Amazon. It's like called bird reflective ribbon tape. I'll put the link in the description below. You're having a big problem with sparrows in the coop in the beginning of the winter, especially when it got very cold out. Proceeded with our hanging chicken feeder, which prevented them from feasting on our delicious non-GMO chicken feed. And then also I made strips, 2-foot strips, cut 2-foot strips out of this Amazon bird reflective ribbon tape, and I hung, I don't know, 30, 45 strips. Actually, I stapled them all over the rafters of the chicken coop. Logic was, well, this is going to be annoying for a flying creature, especially in a small space like this chicken coop. So it'll just discourage them from wanting to take refuge in here. See, it's got a nice, it's got like a retro reflective pattern on it. What that means is no matter what angle the light is hitting the ribbon, it's always reflecting it back in every direction. So that was our solution to keeping sparrows out of the chicken coop. Stick around for more. We've got a brand new season. It's 2018 and we're excited.